In this video we are going to show you how to create a fitness bot that collects the user's weight, height, age and fitness goals. It is also designed to answer only fitness related questions. We are going to use a free AI bot model in Grok that uses Llama 3.8b. Let's begin. If you want to know how to quickly install Flowise, you can get the link in the description. Click on Add New. We will use a conversation chain to create the bot and add our instructions or prompt. Now let us add Grok Chat as our chat model. Remember to create an API key in Grok Chat if you haven't done it yet. Select the language model. In this case we will select Llama 3.8b. Now connect Grok Chat as a chat model in the conversation chain. Now let us add a buffer memory to store the information of the chat history. Finally, let us add the parameters or the bot prompt to provide the instructions on what the bot should do during the conversation. We have instructed it to get the weight, height, age and fitness goals before providing any advice. It should not answer question not related to fitness. Save the chatbot. Now, let us try if it works as per our instructions. Now that our bot is done, we can embed it to our website as a pop-up or a page where people can see and interact with our chatbot. That concludes our tutorial. We will be covering more dynamic bots in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.